We're going to talk about the supply side of the firm or production delivery. Behind any supply decision, obviously, is the cost of production. That has to do with prices of inputs and technology, and of course laws, etc. Now, for any producer to engage in production, they must, very minimum, charge a price that recovers the cost of production in the short run, and ideally, after a while, to give them some markup, something for them. This markup could be some industries 2%, some industries could be 3,000%, depending on how much the market can handle. So let's look at this idea in a model. Let's say this is a production of a quantity of flip-flops, and this is the price of flip-flops in the U.S. Let's say for a typical U.S. manufacturer to produce 1 million pairs of flip-flops, the cost of production requires that the price to be $12. So as long as the price in the market is $12 and above, they are in. So they can continue to produce more, provided that their cost structure doesn't change. Only price changes, they see opportunities for profit and therefore expand production. Now, if they figure out a clever way to reduce the cost of production maybe to $8 a pair, then they can actually start their production from somewhere at $8 price requirement and continue upward. Now, if for whatever reason price falls below their cost of production, any given producer is out unless they go figure out some other way to do the job. If the same producer can figure out to produce the same million with $5 price to cover the cost of production, then they will have a new technology, new production process, and therefore this production function or the supply curve can tilt this way into the right. And what it says is that now the same 1 million before required $12 price to cover the cost of production plus some markup. Now $5 will do, either because they figure out a cheaper source of material or labor or a technology.